Icon Tutorial Services, a tutorial center for reading and writing.
Alphabet animals. A, 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 a. Alligator. B, v, b, bee. C, k, k, k. Cat. D, d, d. Dog. E, e. Elephant. F, fish. G, g, g. Goose. A, hamster. I, e, e, e. Iguana. J, j, j. Jellyfish. K, k, k. Kangaroo. L, oo. Leopard. M, monkey. N, newt. O, otter. P, p, polar bear. Q, k, quail. R, rabbit. S, snake. T, tiger. U, umbrella bird. V, vulture. W, whale. X, xanthus. Y, yak. Z, zebra.
Thank you for learning with us. For more free lessons, subscribe, like, and share this video. And for free printable worksheet, visit our Facebook page at Icon Tutorial Services.